What's up, guys? Metalbone here. I'm just gonna give you a little last here, but I just wanted to go over, why I think silver and gold are great safe havens, but also do a little unboxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the unboxing. Make sure you always cut your box away from you, okay? Because people do get cut when they open these things. And what's funny is I've actually opened these, and like the way that like the guy who sold it to me packaged it, like I think I bought a gold coin as well as a bunch of silver. This was like a year ago when I was first getting into it, maybe 6 months ago. And I noticed that the silver was so big, but then the gold was like, it was like in the corner of the package, and I didn't even notice it until later. So anyways, guys, just make sure you always double check the package, because silver and gold are weird assets, because they are small and can be lost. A tiny piece of gold is worth a ton of money. So let's talk precious metals. Let me go ahead and open these. So here we got the first one. This one you can just rip by hand. I like these little merchandise enclosed things. Oh, this is awesome. So see this, guys? America the Beautiful. This, I just won a bunch of these. This right here is a 1 ounce silver 999 1 troy ounce. I bought this on eBay. It's Cog Railway. So historic Cog Railway leading to the 6,298 foot summit of New Hampshire's Mount Washington became the world's first mountain climbing railway when opened in 1869. These are just like these America the Beautiful little 1 ounce art bars, I guess you call them. Oh, look, 464591. I guess that's like a serial number. That's pretty cool. Really glad to get these. I got these about a little over spot. When spot was like 18, I think I got them for about $19 plus like 50 cents to $1 in shipping. But they packaged them all together. So that's the first one of the American Beautiful. Show you guys a little bit more. I tend to go for, let me know below, like, do you guys go for more premium stuff or more generic stuff when the spot price goes up? Because I actually go for more premium stuff when the spot price goes up, because I think the percentage of the premium compared as a ratio to the total price is less, in my opinion. Do you get what I'm saying, guys? So here is another America the Beautiful. John Piercing. Oh no, it's not America the Beautiful. It's just John J. Piercing. Let's see who this guy is. I kind of forgot. Our Greatest Americans. I guess this is the American series. As commander of the U.S. forces in France during World War I, this general, 1860 to 1848, contributed to the Allied victory abroad. 1 troy ounce, 999 FS fine silver. The Hamilton Mint 74. That's pretty cool. If anybody knows more about these pieces, let me know. To me, this is a really nice piece of commemorative history. I'm digging the history when I get these pieces. So I'm stacking for fun and collection, as well as stacking for wealth. So I'm stacking weight. Go into my other videos if you guys want to see about my investment strategies and stuff, even though this is not investment advice, blah, 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 blah. Okay, America the Beautiful, 1 troy ounce. Here's a beautiful little art bar. I don't know, does anyone know what year these are from? I don't really know. Rivertown, the Rivertown rustic reminders of the age of steamboats have lost much of their commerce, but my eyes are going bad, but retain in their place in the folklore of America. So Rivertowns, interesting. America the Beautiful, 1 troy ounce, 999 FS, which is fine silver. 75p. What's 75p? Anyone know? Let me know below. A gem Hamilton Mint. Anyone knows more about these coins, let me know. Pretty cool little art series right here. Last little piece right here. Share this with y'all. So I'm stacking silver, obviously, for collection, weight, as well as for, oh, this is going to be a beauty right here. I'm going to skip these other ones because I got this, which is a GA Georgia Analytics. This is a silver pour bar. I love silver pour bars, so I bid on this. Added it to my stack. $9.99 fine silver. I love poured bars, so I've been trying to collect these poured. Love the ripples bars. There's a lot of great pours, small pours like Urban Stacker is one of them. Urban Lifestyle, sorry. Who else is pouring? Tanika is pouring. What's his name? Tanika something. I'm really bad with names. Silver Dragons is a great pour. You should check out his channel. There's a couple other smaller mintage guys. Like Salivate Metal has some smaller mints that pour for him as well. Who's the one? MK Barz is one of them. They do really good art poured bars. But yeah, this was a antique poured bar, I guess. I'm not sure. Does anyone know? Leave below what year Georgia Analytics does their bars. But I just want to share that with you guys. Let's see. Okay, George Patton. This is pretty cool. Little World War II general, our greatest Americans, 1945. This native Californian survived the crisis of World War II, yet met death as a result of a German auto accident. That sucks. 1 troy ounce, $9.99 fine silver, the Hamilton Mint. And finally, another America the Beautiful. Love these little history pieces. The Wayside Inn, it says. The Wayside Inn. It's interesting. Part of our history. Wayside Inn, these antiquated stopping points served as meeting places, overnight stops, and news centers for rural town of colonial America. All right, guys, I just wanted to share you guys this and show you guys this poured bar that I got here. It's a antique bar. Kind of dig it. When spot price is up, I tend to go for more of the collector stuff. I tend to think that the premiums go down because everyone's trying to get junk silver cheaper and generic silver cheaper, and the premium goes down even though the spot price has gone up. So overall I might be paying more, but like it's the premiums over spot that really matter to me. So anyways, I'm accumulating silver still, guys, even though the price has gone up. So if you're new and you're just subscribed, I'm still buying. And as you can see, this is a Geiger bar, which is a premium bar that I just bought recently too. So glad to share this with you guys. Leave comments and rate and subscribe below. All right, guys, Metal Bone.
Smash that like button and subscribe.